You know video will grow your business. You also don't want to dance, point at floating words, or perform on camera. Well, the good news is the best video for booking clients is none of that. It's you answering one question. So let me show you how. So here's the whole thing. You already get questions in your DM, over email, or at conferences. People ask you the same things constantly because you're the expert. That's your content, all of it. Pull out your phone and say, hey, here's a question I get all the time, or someone emailed me this last week, or I got this one at a conference, and then answer it. That's the video. No script, no hook, no formula, no editing tricks, just a real question and your real answer. I'm going to show you how this works, but I'm going to have to fake it a little bit, so just stay with me. Here's a question from my audience. Hey, Terry, how do I create more authentic content on social media? How do I know if I'm really keeping it real? Good question. What I would say is this. You want to look at the last 5 posts you've put on social media. If anyone could have written them, that means you're not being authentic or personalized enough. That's it. That's the whole test. Okay, so that is one example of quickly answering a question. Like, yes, sure, I could have gone more in depth, but just like that, I'm answering a question based on my knowledge, no script, no special effects, no nothing, right? That's it. So why does this format actually work? This format quietly does 3 things for you at once. First, it kills the blank page problem because the question is the topic. Next, it makes you sound like a person instead of a brand because you're just talking. And then lastly, it puts your actual expertise on display, which is the exact thing that makes someone think, I should book this person. Maybe you answer the question differently than everybody else. Maybe you've got a contrarian take. Maybe you can just turn it into a quick step-by-step. Promise it up front. Here's a question I got last week, and I'll show you the 3 steps I take. Look, just don't overthink it. Take one question at a time, one clear answer, one small edge if you had it, and be done. So this week, answer one question you get all the time and post it. And at the end of the video, say it out loud. Have a question about this? Book a call with me on EveryExpert. Put that same line and your link in the caption. The video earns the trust, the booking link gives them somewhere to go. And that is the whole loop. One question answered, one call booked. I'll see you in the next one.